Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Libra. Okay, so Libra placements. Titingnan natin ano ba ang magiging outcome ngayong September pagdating sa inyong situation when it comes to love. Okay, so Libra placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and North Node. Okay, so yeah. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung may iba pang tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet and kay granter, and doon sa ating new item pagdating sa cleansing, so yeah, just message me. Okay. Hindi ko pa nagagawan kasi ng nag-share, oo. Hindi ko pa nagagawa ng post, oo. Yung about dun sa sa new item natin. Oo. Masyadong busy. Anyway. So, Libra. Okay. The person on your mind. Okay. The person you're dealing with, sino ba yan? Anong meron dyan sa kanya, Libra? Okay, shuffle natin ng isa pa. Okay. Libra. The person on Libra's mind. Okay. The Four of Chalices. Pwedeng water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's this Four of Chalices? Strength in reverse. Pwedeng ini-ignore muna to or maybe they felt ignored. Okay. Some of them, they're holding back their true emotions pagdating sa'yo. Okay, some of them may nakukuha ko dito andun yung parang may pagka-bipolar. Okay, some of them may chance na tahimik. Yung loner, parang ganyan. Hindi sila, ang tawag dyan? Hindi sila ganun na palaging nakikihalubilo sa ibang tao. That's specific. Okay? Laging nasa bahay. Parang ganun, nakaupo lang. Yeah. May ganun. Okay? Pwedeng Leo. Anyway, okay. So, let's see. Ano bang situation meron kayo? Anong situation yun itong taong to? Libra. This person is thinking of you. May chance rin na para tong nagtatampo. I don't know why. Okay? The Knight of Swords. Kasi yun nga, pwedeng kaya siya nagtatampo or pwedeng ikaw nagtatampo. Okay? Remember, this is just energy, so may chance na maging flip, no? Yung mga energies. Okay, so situation, Knight of Swords. And the Three of Swords in reversed. There's drama. Sa situation, I think may kailangang ayusin or may kailangang pag-usapan. Okay, yeah, the Magician. Pero someone is not cooperating. Okay? Someone is not cooperating. Yeah, andun yung sabihin nating nagpapaka-immature yung isa. I don't know. Some of them, this is just this is because of their ego, their pride. Okay, there's drama. May kailangan pag-usapan. Pero someone is holding back. Someone's just ignoring the other person. Anong nangyari sa past? Let's see. Libra, anong nangyari sa past? Okay, anong nangyari sa past nyo? Anong nangyari sa inyong dalawa noon? The Chariot in reversed. So, pwedeng Cancer yan. Why is that? The Chariot in reversed. The King of Wands. What? Yeah. Alam nyo, Libra. Eto ha. I'm getting this energy coming from sabihin nating someone na pwedeng hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng deep connection with, okay? Someone is holding back their true feelings, their emotions. Sa ngayon, ang nakita ko na nangyari sa past, meron ditong hindi pumunta sa next level. Okay? I don't know. I think this person likes you. Or you like this person. Sa sitwasyon, parang nangangailangan ng pag-uusap, pero I think hindi nangyayari. Okay? So, someone is, sabihin nating liking, the other person, or maybe you both like each other, mga ganyan. Meron ditong hindi pumunta sa next level kung ano man. Okay? The Page of Wands in reversed. Ano to? Puro tinginan, puro paramdaman. What? Ang aga. Yeah, the Two of Wands. You're in a crossroads. Like, andun yung pag-iisip. Okay, maybe both of you, nag-iisipan kayo, gusto kaya ako nito? Ano kayang meron? Something like that. Kasi, merong mga hints, na gusto nyo yung isa't isa, pero no one is stepping up. No one is making or taking the action para magkaalaman. Okay? Some of them may pagkamahiyain talaga, ha? Mahiyain. Sobra. Pero this person likes you. Yes. Let's see. Anong emosyon niya? Ngayon. Okay, ngayon. Anong emosyon nito ngayon sa'yo? Anong emosyon? The Hierophant in reversed. And Death. The Eight of Wands. Yeah, someone wants to talk. Someone wants to communicate. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Someone is like, sabihin natin nagka-crave dun sa isa. So ngayon, ang energy, some of you talagang hindi niya ipinapakita, na gusto niya na kumunik. They're like, hayaan ko na lang to. Parang ganun. Hayaan ko na lang. Okay. My golly. Yeah, see the Moon. Hayaan ko na lang. Tatago ko na lang ito. Alam nyo, kung may chance talaga na may emosyon sa'yo tong taong to, itatago na lang nila yun. Hanggang matsugi-bell sila. Yes. Some of them, wala nga silang pinagsasabihan Wala silang pinagsasharean. Oo. Tungkol dito. Di ba madalas, kanyari, kapag may gusto tayo, di ba sinishare natin? Sila hindi. Hindi nila sinishare. Oo. Anyway. Ano bang meron? Okay. Next action. Let's see what is their next action. Sana naman magkaroon, Sana magkaroon. Magkape muna tayo. Sandali lamang. Oo. Okay. Tayo magkape. Ano ba ang next action niya towards you, Libra? Really? Oh, the Page of Pentacles. This is maybe chance of reaching out, pero nandiyan yung sabihin nating they will keep an arm's distance. An arm's distance, yeah. Okay? Yung naririnig ko, an arm distance, like meron tong limit. Okay, sabihin nating yeah, may mga hints tong ibibigay na naman, pero yeah, this is in general, this is like convo or message, something like that. Okay, what is that? What's with the Page of Pentacles? The Hanged Man in reverse. Yeah. To break the ice. Ang naririnig ko na namang kanta is yung na 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 na. Hindi ko alam yung title. Okay. Anyway, so magta-try itong taong to na i-message ka, something like that. Okay? Gagawa ng action. Pero I'm not saying this na totally, yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yung parang hindi all in, all out. Parang hindi ganun eh. Okay, this is just a small hints, small action. Okay? Pero kapag nangyari to, maliliwanagan ka. Okay? Magkakaroon ng, sabihin natin, clarity. Someone will be, sabihin natin, merong magiging transparency, I think. Okay, because of the King of Swords. This is communication though, like, yeah, through chats. Okay? Maybe. Or maybe something like, magla-like sa post mo, something like that. Okay? Magla-like, magsiseen sa my day, mga ganun. Or maybe you will hear someone na, you will hear from a mutual friend or a friend na pwedeng kinakamusta ka or naitatanong ka ng taong to, like that. Okay? Yung hindi straightforward, okay, sa'yo, na pag-reach out, like, hindi, yeah, anyway. Small hints, small action, okay? So, ano ba ang advice for you, Libra? Okay. So, there is an angel number for you. It's 333. Okay. So, nakita ko lang sa time. Okay. Okay. So, advice or outcome. Ano bang ang magiging outcome dito sa ganitong sitwasyon nyo? Okay? Anong magiging outcome? Yeah. Communication. Yeah. The Magician. Okay? Communication. Yeah. And the World. This is like getting to the next level. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reversed. Being near sa isa't isa. Like that. Some of you may chance na itong taong to is, sabihin natin hindi siya nakatira malapit sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, you have to travel pa. Para magkita, yes. Okay? So, yeah, they're living at a distance. Okay, parang ganyan. Okay, so yun, ang nakukuha ko is pagkakaroon ng energy ng pakikipag-usap, communication, whether online, okay, or personal, something like that, no? Okay, pero I'm seeing here energy of through online lang, chats, okay, calls maybe, yeah, pero no one is offering, sabihin nating a connection or sabihin nating a relationship, okay. Advice ko is just open the line of communication. No more, no less. Okay? Yun lang muna. Okay, yeah, this person likes you. Okay, so we have here Virgo, Pisces, Earth sign, Scorpio, yeah, another Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer yan. Okay, air sign, yeah, another air sign, Leo, and water. Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay, so let's see, ano bang meron pagdating sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries through Pisces. Okay. So this Aries likes you, they love you, they have emotion, okay? Andun yung parang gusto na nilang sabihin sa'yo yung nararamdaman dahil nagiging burden na. Yeah. Taurus, so they're too toxic. Some of them, meron silang hindi magandang situation. Some of you have this third party. Okay. Yeah, they're too toxic. Yes. Gemini, waiting for a right opportunity, right timing maybe. Okay. Cancer. Okay. So they want to take a risk. Okay, something like they want to make or to have a new beginning with you, like that. Leo, okay, they're stepping up. Some of you may chance na mayroong magbabalik na Leo. Okay. Virgo. Okay, so I'm seeing here friend zone. Yeah, there's a friend zoning or something like, yeah, yun lang eh. Okay. Some of you, kung meron ditong energy ng past, they want to sabihin natin makipag-ayos. Libra, okay, they're thinking of you, not stepping up. Okay. Scorpio, they're stalking you, they're spying. Some of them, they're being indecisive. Sagittarius. Okay. So I think there's this parang confusion or something like meron itong hinihintay na lang sa'yo because they can't do kung ano man yung mga kailangan gawin para may fix, something like that. Okay. Capricorn. Okay. So they're just acting na wala silang pakialam dito sa sitwasyon, pero yes, meron silang pake. Okay. Aquarius, they want enlightenment. Oh, they want clarity. They want something like answers. Okay. Something like they want to see you, they want to communicate. Pisces. Okay, they're afraid na nakaka-move on ka na. Takot sila na maka-move on ka, Libra. Okay, pero yeah, some of them may chance na makikipag-ayos to, pero they don't know paano sila gagawa ng action, first move, like that. Okay, because of their sabihin nating takot nga. Okay. So, yun ang ating reading for you, Libra. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.